time to celebrate America's 250th anniversary. And we want to do this by getting a stamp in our national park passbook. The nearest park we know of is Mammoth Cave. We had another plans going on, so we decided to head on down to the cave and get us a stamp and begin the celebration of America 250. So we'll have several videos coming, and enjoy and hang on, and happy birthday, America. All right, Pearl, we are strolling in a new national park, and I didn't film any of setup. Nope. Not.
Why not?
I don't know. I get working.
And you forget.
I get working and doing, and I don't really.
You kind of hurry.
I don't have much time.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to waste it setting up cameras.
Yeah.
So.
That's for on the longer trips, I guess.
Yeah, that'll be another point in time. Mm-hmm. But we're here in the.
It's dry here, I think.
Yeah,
and this is May, and you would think it was spring. Anyway, because the ferry's closed.
Yes.
Because the water levels.
We are at the campground at Mammoth Cave National Park. We're heading over to the visitor center. I have our passbook right here, and we want to get a stamp.
Oh, I forgot to shoot, we've gone right by it. Well, maybe at dinner time.
Yeah, well, we got it's not far.
No, oh, that's true. I could just walk over here.
So
we're going little walk.
We're heading over to the visitor center to get our stamp because it closes at 5. I almost forgot the sign. There we go, visitor center. Let's go find us some stamps.
Yeah. Right there. Right here? No, it's trash.
Okay.
Oh, and I got the t-shirt.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, and a hat.
Hello.
Hi.
Y'all know we're cash only right now.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Thank goodness I got some.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah. Okay, where's...
And our 9-year-old is somewhere in here.
Where'd she say? Oh, right there, straight ahead.
Aha.
Here, do you want me to videotape you doing it?
Yeah, I guess so.
I think I did one. How do you
what
do
we got
it?
going here? Junior Ranger. Got some Mammoth Cave cancellation. That's the 250.
Okay.
All right. What do you think? Put one in here? On the front cover? Or?
Yeah, in the front, yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
So we'll put one there, and we'll put one on the page.
On the page, yeah.
On the page.
Yeah.
Can you see the book?
Oh, not really. Okay, now I can, kind of. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. Okay, so now we gotta find.
Huh?
Now we gotta find where we are. It's the.
Well, do we get a sticker too?
Yeah, we can get a sticker. Southeast region. All right. Yep.
Kentucky.
So we already had some Kentucky going here.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get a sticker, so we want to do our own page.
Yeah, let's do it. Do that. Yeah.
Although there's just room for a sticker here.
Yeah.
And then we could put it with Cumberland Gap.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Okay.
Is that the right one?
Yeah, that's the cancellation for Mammoth Cave.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So we'll put that one right here.
The other gift shops where those are.
Cool. And then we'll do a 250 right next to it.
Nice.
Oh yeah, it says Mammoth Cave.
Yeah, nice.
Cool.
Yeah.
Then we'll get a sticker
Yep. All
right
right.
there.
And what do those cost?
I don't know.
No, it's fine. Yeah. Okay. Well, you said you have enough, so. All right. Did you want to,
I think that's it.
yeah.
Oh,
Jim.
they got this. Oh, that's just.
Look at this over here, though.
Oh, but we already
I
started.
know, we've already got one. I know.
I know.
Yeah.
If we come back tomorrow, maybe the credit card machine will be running.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
Most of it. The stagecoach was a vital part of travel for early Mammoth Cave visitors in the late 1800s. 3 stagecoach lines operated, bringing visitors from Glasgow Junction, Park City, and Cave City. While it may seem like a romantic way to travel, it was not without its more adventurous moments. A landscape full of sinkholes along the road caused one visitor to state, if the traveler should be so unfortunate as to possess a timid disposition, he might be apprehensive of a sudden disappearance of the stagecoach into the bowels of the earth. Fortunately, that did not occur. However, other tales surrounding the stagecoach abound. Among the most harrowing stories involves a stagecoach being robbed near Little Hope Church in 1880 by 2 masked thieves. Evidence later indicated these thieves may have been the famous James brothers, Frank and Jesse. No matter the travel, at the end of the line, a bugle sounded at the Mammoth Cave Hotel, welcoming visitors to an oasis in the woodland, where a home-cooked meal and bed awaited the weary travelers.
Look how
That's
it rode.
interesting.
It rides on leather straps.
Oh, wow.
So it's riding on those straps.
Wow. Isn't that really
That's it. Those are the
pretty?
shocks.
That is not comfortable, though. But look
So
how
this thing's like rocking
but
on those
it's
straps.
pretty. Wow.
I guess if I was a good YouTuber, I would go online and show what the inside of these cabins would look like. Because I'm sure they got pictures of them.
I'm sure they do too. I may need my jacket.
Am I a good YouTuber?
Oh, you're decent.
I have my moments.
Yeah. I think you're okay. During the first 50 years of Mammoth Cave tourism, much of Kentucky was considered the American West. The road leading to Mammoth Cave was sometimes as rugged as the primitive trails within it. In 1859, the Louisville and Nashville Railroad was established between those 2 cities. A spur line to the cave was completed in 1886. At $3 per ticket, the Mammoth Cave Railroad brought visitors 8.7 miles from Glasgow, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, Junction, now Park City, to the mysterious Mammoth Cave. Along the way, visitors were offered the chance to stop off at other local landmarks, Diamond Caverns, Grand Avenue Cave, and Proctor Cave. The landscape was dotted with rolling hills, sinkholes, patches of forest, wooded farmhouses, livestock, and cultivated fields. One of 4 dummy 04-2T type steam engines pulled a wooden coach or wooden combination baggage and or coach car up the Chester escarpment, gaining 200 feet in elevation in less than 1 mile. A series of hills took the little train over a trestle at Doyle Valley and on up to the Mammoth Cave Estate and Hotel. Cave visitors, local families, and even wedding parties saw the sprawling Kentucky landscape from dusty glass windows adorning the cars of the Mammoth Cave Railroad.
Kind of neat, huh?
Yeah,
It's a cute little locomotive.
yeah. I was just looking at some of the, to me, $3, that sounds like a lot back then.
It probably was.
Yeah.
That was built in 1880.
Like we're here.
Girls, tell me how huge this park is.
And look at all this. This is all like,
Can't see
I know, it's not very
bad
lighting.
lighting.
But there's Park City, which it used to be Glasgow, something like that. Anyway, so that's the way they would either by carriage or
We will be doing a
train.
revisit on this park.
Yeah, this is
We came here
yeah.
just to get the stamp,
Yep.
and we're trying not to squirrel ourselves.
And we wouldn't do it all.
And we want a nice, and tape the video of the campground. Those are the two objectives, and I got to keep on. Oh, and I got some amateur radio stuff tonight I'm going to do.
Anyway.
All right, we're all cleaned up. Okay. So we as you saw, we got our 2 stamps, which kind of goes nice. It kind of
Yeah.
goes with Kentucky.
Yeah.
So this is like our little Kentucky side here. So we want to put our sticker on. You have to put your sticker on while you're still in the park. That just seems not right to do it anywhere
No,
else.
yeah,
So
I
I'm gonna go and let Pearl peel and stick. So here goes our sticker.
I can get it.
Woo!
Yeah, looking
And,
good.
and we have a picture of me and the kids down here.
Yeah, because you guys
So-
were, I saw something and you all were like leaning on the rail, looking up at something.
All right, I'll have to hunt it down.
I got a
and
picture
I'll put that
of
up and
you.
in.
If I had my phone, I
So-
probably could get it.
So there we go. So that,
We don't keep this part.
no, I've been sticking it. Here, you can stick with that one for now. I haven't decided what, oh, that's not it. Yeah, those are stickers, but I don't know if you want to clutter the book with those.
No, I
just
feel
do-
like we need a separate page, maybe. I like.
What do you do with these stickers, folks? Right now we're just leaving them on the,
Let me see what's
on the
in the
papers.
back. Is there anything on?
that's for when you start running out of space.
Oh, okay. Well, if we
Well, right now let's just keep
Yeah.
them,
with
because we got this one
Alright,
too.
yeah, we got
so it's
that one.
Smoky Mountains. So we could just put those in the back if you want.
yeah, gotta figure out what to do with these.
Yeah. Any ideas what
Anyway.
you do with these extra part of the stickers? Please let us know.
Or
we
maybe
we like
anyway.
ideas. So
Anyway, we'll figure it out.
so that wraps this. Oh, okay. I gotta. Okay, cut that part. Hold on. I'll fuzz that out.
Yeah.
All right. Anyways. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.